let's talk about something huge happening right now in how we build things for the internet. Seriously, the whole game is changing. It's moving away from needing to be a coding whiz or a design pro to something as simple as just having a conversation.
I mean, really think about that for a second. What if you could just describe the website you're picturing in your head, and then just, poof, watch it come to life? Well, that's not some far-off sci-fi idea. For a lot of people, it's happening right now.
Okay, so let's break down what's so different here. You've got your traditional builders, right? It's all about dragging and dropping elements. It works, sure, but it can feel a little restrictive. The new AI builders, totally different. They're conversational, and they don't just build the site, they can handle complex stuff like SEO with AI. But here's the real kicker for me: platform freedom. A lot of old platforms kind of lock you in. With these new AI tools, you can often just export all the code. It's your site, truly yours.
In the actual process, it's so simple it's almost funny, and you're seeing it pop up everywhere, from Squarespace to Teleport HQ. It's pretty much a three-step dance. First, you just prompt it. You literally just say what you want in plain English. Second, the AI gets to work and generates everything: the code, the content, the whole shebang. And then third, you jump in to customize and fine-tune it. It feels less like you're using a complicated tool and more like you're just briefing your own personal design partner who just happens to work at lightning speed.
Oh, and you know one of the biggest headaches of web design? Making sure it looks good on a phone and a tablet and a desktop. Yeah, that's just gone. These AI builders create fully responsive sites right out of the box. No more spending hours and hours manually tweaking things for different screens. That alone is a massive time saver.
So, look, what we're really talking about here is so much bigger than just a new feature for building websites. This is a sneak peek into a totally new way we're going to create software. And it even has a name: vibe coding. You're not focused on every single line of code. You're focused on the vibe, the overall goal, and you let the AI handle the nitty-gritty. And this quote from Andrej Karpathy, the researcher who actually coined the term, just hits the nail on the head. Forget that the code even exists. It's all about shifting your mindset from being a builder to being a director, trusting the AI to translate your vision into reality.
And of course, this is all moving incredibly fast. We're already evolving beyond just simple generation. Now we're starting to see things like Devin AI, which isn't just an assistant, it's being called the first autonomous AI software developer. You give it one prompt, and it can potentially handle an entire project all on its own, from planning and coding to finding bugs and deploying the final product.
So you see, this tech is quickly shifting from being just a tool that you use to a full-on collaborator that you work with. Which leaves us with a pretty wild question to think about. What if your next coworker isn't human at all?